Learn French in 60 seconds, 5 essential phrases. Namaste, bonjour, and hello. Welcome to this French language learning video. Want to learn French in just 60 seconds? Let's go. Here are 5 useful French sentences with meanings. Je m'appelle is your name. Try saying it with me. Je m'appelle. Do, comment ça va? You can reply, I'm good. Où est la gare? Where is the train station? Perfect for traveling. Je ne comprends pas. I don't understand. Use this when you need help. 5. Parlez-vous English? A lifesaver when you're in France. Want more quick lessons? Like, comment, bonjour, and follow for daily French.